In this video, I'm going to show you a simple strategy in which you don't need to invest anything. Yes, there is no money or investment required. There is no technical knowledge required. This is something that is working worldwide. If you know how to use Microsoft Word, or maybe you're like, Diana, I don't have Microsoft Word. Maybe I don't have a computer. Don't worry, there is an alternative that you can use, which is 100% free. And you are at least 16 years old. I'm going to show you a way in which you can make money online. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned, I'm going to show you a simple way in which you can make money online working from home. You can do it from your cell phone. You can do it for your laptop. If you have a laptop, if you have a desktop computer, that's okay. There is no investment required, but you need to put the time in order to do this, okay? So that's something that I want to be clear. This is something that you can do to, to have some like an extra income. That's okay. So far, there is no like technical knowledge required or special requirement, just that you need to do all the steps and you're gonna be earning money on the daily basis. By the way, guys, if you guys want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, and I love passive income, so I can make money while I travel, while I sleep, I'm gonna leave a link below. So that's gonna be the very first link in the description. Now let me show you everything about this strategy. Okay, the first website that we're going to be using, it's called HigherScene. Okay, you're going to go to HigherScene.com and you're going to land on this page. Okay, so you're going to be you're going to be a freelancer. Okay, so this is not something that is going to be working for a different company. So you're going to be freelancer. There are several benefits, like you're going to have flexibility. You're going to have more time because you are going to decide when you want to work, how much hours do you want to work. Okay, and there is no something like a dress code or something like that. There are several ways in which you can actually make money. Some of them is by typing jobs, paid surveys, and proofreading jobs. Okay, which are the other types of opportunities that you can have if you decide to go with this. Okay, I'm gonna focus this video on just one. Okay, but you have several opportunities if you have different skills. For example, you can get the typing jobs. Okay, so you can earn between $4 to $6 per page. Okay, and the page is about 2,000 words. Okay, so this can be an assignment that you can do it online or offline, and you need to do it on Microsoft Word or any equivalent software. Remember that I told you that if you don't have Microsoft Word or you don't have a computer right now, there is an alternative. Okay, so I'm going to show you that in a moment. My focus on this video is going to be about proofreading. Okay, so you can earn between $5 to $10 per page. The same, you're going to be checking the spelling and you're going to be editing the files of Microsoft Word or similar softwares. If you want, you can go with the surveys. You can earn between $5 to $50 per survey just by providing your opinion about a product, about a service. Okay, if you have design skills, okay, you can be a graphic designer. Per assignment, you're going to earn between $15 to $40. Okay, if you know how to use Illustrator or Photoshop, CorelDRAW, you can take these opportunities. You can also, if you have the opportunity and are good with PowerPoint, you can develop a PowerPoint presentation. You're going to earn $3 per PowerPoint slide. Okay, so if you like, be a data entry, you can be, a data entry, and you're going to earn between 20 cents to 40 cents per cell. If you have a good voice, you really like it, okay, you can be a voice recognition job, right? Also, you can be an online advertiser. If you know more than one language, you can be a translator. Okay, these are several jobs that you can do, but I'm gonna focus my energy in this video about being a proofreader. Yeah, okay, that sounds cool, but I'm not really good on grammar. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you how you can, you can be the best of the best. It doesn't matter if you don't feel like 100% confident about your grammar, okay? But remember that you have another options if you want, to take advantage of the other opportunities. So as a proofreader, okay, this is going to be remote positions, okay? It doesn't matter where you guys are, okay? Which are the technical requirements? Well, first of all, you need to be at least 16 years old or above. You need to have a computer, okay? You need to have Microsoft Word installed on your computer. Remember that you can use something different. If you don't have a computer right now, don't worry, I'm going to show you an alternative. Okay, you need to have a reliable internet connection, a mobile phone to be in touch with the client more efficiently. Okay, so here are like the proofreading skills, like elementary skills in proofreading, good knowledge, good communication skills, the ability to manage time efficiently to produce good results. Remember that you are not going to be, or you're not going to have a boss like, you need to do this right now. You need to, no. Remember, this is on your time, okay? So they offer competitive payment, flexible hours, okay, great colleagues, and people, all over around the internet. So if you're ready to apply, you can click here where it says apply to be an online proofreader. Okay, so the step number 1, okay, you're gonna see like the review process. So you're gonna get an answer like in about 24 hours. You're gonna submit your job and you're gonna complete a simple sample test. Okay, that's it. Okay, just in case that you have some questions about this, okay, here they have the FAQ. For example, how does HigherScene pay? Well, they pay bi-weekly. Okay, the payment method is actually via PayPal. Okay, do they offer you support during the training? Yes. Are you gonna get paid while you're training? While you're on training? Yes. How long is the training? Well, it actually depends on your position. Okay, so these are different questions, right? Which are the current opening positions they have? Remember that you can be you can be a proofreader, you can be, answering surveys, you can be a graphic designer, you can be, someone creating PowerPoint, data entry, voiceover, online marketing, the ones that we mentioned before. Okay, so a few important things that you need to know. Well, they are always looking for people who are decided, to do their work. Okay, so it doesn't matter where you are. Remember, you need to be at least 16 years old. Okay, you need to, to be time filling out, making sure that you're gonna be finishing this on time. Okay. If you decide that you're going to be reviewing the websites and everything, okay, keep everything clean, keep everything neat. Okay, so nothing crazy. Okay, now chances are that you're here like, okay, Diana, how do I actually fill this? Okay, remember that they're going to review your opportunity, okay, the job position, okay, because they want to make sure that you are someone who is going to be reliable. Okay, so first of all, you need to put your username, your first name, your last name, your age, a valid email address. I usually suggest people to go with a separate email account, so you know that, okay, whenever I receive an email, it's because it's about my job, so you're not going to be, missing an opportunity. Okay, you're not going to be missing an opportunity. And by the way, guys, if you're enjoying the content so far, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. It's going to be helping my channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Okay, now remember, my suggestion, my recommendation is go with a separate email address. Now the password, okay, a mobile phone number, if you're a male or female, okay. Select your notice period. go with immediately. Okay, go with it immediately, because they want to know that you are someone they can count on. Okay, which position are you interested? Okay, remember that for the purpose of the video, we're gonna go with proofreading jobs. Okay, but if you have other options, you can go with that. Okay, which country are you from? Don't worry, because they have it available in several countries, as you can see here. Okay, what is your current work status? Okay, you can be like, okay, I am actually a freelancer. Okay, or if you're a student. Okay, but my suggestion, go with freelancers, because they know, like, okay, if you're a freelancer, you're someone who is really reliable. Okay, a brief about yourself. It doesn't need to be something super fancy, but you need to put something about yourself. Hey, my name is so and so and so. I'm from this country. I'm really interested about this job position. Why you are interested? Oh, because I really read good reviews about your company. I, read about, all the benefits that you guys provide. I'm really interested, and think I'm going to be a great team player for you guys. Okay, so something that they know, like, okay, I read about them. Okay, Diana, show me like an example of what's going to be. Well, there is an example here. Okay, you need to download the PDF. The PDF contains 11 pages. You're going to be just working on 2 of them. Okay, you're going to be using Microsoft Word. You're going to be making sure that it doesn't have like any errors. It's clear and everything. Okay, so what software can I use if I don't have Microsoft Word right now? Well, you can go with Google Drive. Okay, it's 100% free. You can use it on your computer, and also you can use it on your cell phone. Diana, what if I am not 100% sure, like, about, grammar and stuff? I know, like, if you use Google Drive or if you use Microsoft Word, it can catch some errors. Also, there is a software that I use that is called Grammarly. Grammarly, it's a freemium, so it has part of it is free and the other part is premium, but it's also good for checking errors. And there is a 100% online tool that it's called Reverso Speller. You can go to reverso.net. Okay, you can put the text here. Okay, what's the language? Well, it's going to be in English, and it's not going to be in French. Okay, so acceptance spelling, UK, US, or just US, depending, where your customer is from. And you're going to click here where it says check. Okay, and with that says, you are going to be making sure that you're going to have something that is reading in flawless English. Okay, so this is a way in which you guys can make money online. Remember that in order to achieve this, you need to put the hours. Okay, if you want, again, you can be a proofreader. If you have graphic design skills, you can go with graphic designer. If there's another thing that you are interested, okay, take this opportunity. Remember, you need to invest time. You don't need to invest money. And again, guys, if you want to know what's my #1 recommendation to make money online, so you can make money while you travel, while you sleep, I'm going to leave a link below. So don't forget to click on that link. Share this video if you find it useful. And I see you on the next video.